Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Casey, Henderson How To. We're doing some spring cleaning at the house today, but I'm going to bring y'all two tool demos, I would call it. First, we're going to be trying out the Dewalt 20V lawnmower. I'll get you the model number and all that good stuff. Model number is right there, 18A-U2C2738. But we're going to be trying out that. The Dewalt bagger mower. And if you can hear that right now, Jessica is already using this Ryobi 12-inch surface cleaner for our small pressure washer. I don't like getting the big one out all the time, so she uses this small electric pressure washer we have that's made by Ryobi. She uses it a lot for stuff around the house because it's a lot simpler, a lot easier for her to use. Okay, got my batteries over here. I'm just opening up the tray right here where they go. Why won't that stay open? Come on now. Really? Well, I guess you gotta hold that open while you do stuff. I don't know why in the world that wouldn't stay open. Just grab a battery. Set it in here. Oh no! Sorry, I'm having to hold all this stuff with one hand. And try it like that. There we go. Second battery in place. Didn't click like the first one did, but whatever. Yeah, that door won't stay up by itself. And that's kind of, come on. Anyways, do a battery check. Well, thought you'd be able to push the button right there, but you can't. Okay, we got the key in it. Ain't that something? Let's check out the undercarriage. That's what we got underneath. It's got an actual mower blade, but looks pretty good under here. Let's check out, see if the blade is sharp. Oh yeah, woo, pretty sharp, but it's pretty simple. I mean, just a shaft sticking down and a blade on it. And that's where it goes out to the bagger back there. It also comes with a side chute, side discharge if you want. It goes right here. But I'm gonna use the bagger first. Let's try this thing out. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but when it gets into thicker grass, it actually throttles up on its own. There it goes. Dang old ant beds keep stopping me. But it's cutting really good. I'm impressed. I gotta raise it up a little bit, it's too low. Okay, we got one control on one side. Oh wow, that's super easy to move. That was super easy to move. Yeah, you have one handle over here. Controls both front wheels. It must be spring loaded because that was super easy to move. Let's try it again. And this thing is really quiet. And that's that. Whole side's done. All I gotta do now is just weed eat right underneath the fence. And that side is done. That's that pipe. I changed this out a while ago and added pop-up drain for the downspout. I gotta put this strap back on. Forgot to do that. And I know that isn't run like it normally would be. But that's what I had to do because I have a concrete brick ledge sticking out 8 or 10 inches from the house. So I just used the downspout that was there already angled and tied my adapter into it and went underground and came out. Anyways, back to the mower. This thing worked really well. I caught the brick. Oh, that wipes right off. I caught the brick back there one time. But you got your height adjustment back here. Height adjustment up there in the front. Batteries go in here. I don't like the way this won't stay open by itself. That drives me nuts. Bagger goes on right here. That's super easy. You pick this up and you pull the bagger straight up. I can't do it because I'm holding the camera. The height is adjustable. So depending on how tall you are, you can change the angle of this arm going up. There's a hole here, and then the hole that I have it on. There's the lower hole, obviously. I'm 5'8", so I don't need the upper hole. But that's adjustable. So depending on how tall you are, you can change that. Here's the key that you can take out. So nobody can mess with it, kids can't mess with it, all that good stuff. That goes in there. Now to make it go, there's a yellow button right here. If you want to start it, you hit that yellow button, so I can do this and hold the camera. Push the yellow button, pull the handle back. Anyhow, that's it, the Dewalt 20V mower. This one's not self-propelled. This one you push yourself. I got the bagger on it now. This thing works really well. And I'll be curious to see how long the 60-volt battery lasts in here. I did feel like it was spinning a little faster with the 60-volt, not a lot. I think mainly where that's going to help is the life of the battery. The 60-volt is going to last a whole lot longer on a 20-volt tool. Because those batteries, you know, they just swap down to 20-volt when you use it on a 20-volt tool. So anyhow, that should make our run time considerably longer. And I am going to do a video. I'm going to cut the whole yard with it and see if it'll last on a charge like that. Instead of using the riding mower, the Spartan, I'm going to use this and see if it'll last to do the whole yard, which we have an acre, but what we're cutting would be about half an acre, because we're a little beyond half, but you got to take out for the house. So anyhow, definitely like the way it did. It did a really good job. Thank you, Nick. My brother bought me this for Christmas. First time I've gotten to use it. But it worked really well. Let's see how full the bagger is. It's about half full. You know, the grass ain't real tall. It's just getting warm enough to start growing. So say hey, Gavin.
What's up?
Say what up. That flowing hair over there. You're like dang Rico Suave over there. Woohoo! Give it a little shake. Oh, watch out. Oh, we got the plants planted. The hydrangeas? No, what are they? I can't remember. Baby, what are these plants called? Baby. What are these plants? Hibiscus. We got the hibiscuses planted. That's red. This one's pink. This one's pink. This one's red. Well, it was supposed to go red, pink, but I screwed that up. It's red, pink, pink, red. I didn't put them in the right spot. So Either way, they're done. Let's go check out the pressure washer. But you can see how well it works.
Yeah, but it normally
And
makes
that's it losing a ton of pressure, so.
Normally it wouldn't do the little lines like that.
We'll get another one, swap it out, and show you how it's supposed to work. All right, here we go. We got the new head hooked up to the pressure washer. Here's the pressure washer we're using. 1600 PSI Ryobi, 1.2 gallon per minute. Electric. We have the Ryobi hose on it. The hose it comes with. It messed up when I hooked it up to hot water, so it ruined it. Here's the head. That way, baby. It's the Ryobi 1.4 gallon a minute max, 12 inch. We've already tried it. This one doesn't leak. Go ahead, babe. Crazy how good that works. This one works really good, and as you can see, no leaking out of the top. The other one was leaking. But it's working. The Ryobi surface cleaner did a good job. Did a really good job getting the outdoor kitchen all cleaned up for springtime. Already did all this out here. But I get that heater put up. Don't need that out anymore. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video on the mower. I'm gonna do another video, like I said, soon. I'm gonna run the whole yard with this mower. I'm gonna run the pressure washer some more. Make sure that new one's not leaking like the old one was. So don't buy one of those just yet if you're thinking about buying one. It works amazing, but that one was leaking. If the second one leaks the same way, I'm gonna take it back and get my money back, because it works good, but I can't, if it doesn't work more than 30 minutes, it's not any point in having it. So, but thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I got a really cool one coming up soon. Review video. It's gonna be cool. But I'll see y'all then. Bye! Babe, say bye! She says bye. She's over there weed eating. She likes weed eating. See y'all later.